What it do? It's your boy Corliss J checking in, giving you an update on our cayenne pepper. Ooh, yeah, that's a healthy plant. I'm getting it shaped out the way I want. See, we have a few ripe peppers here. This one still has a bit of green in it. I don't know if the camera's picking it up, but this one is definitely ready to go. Oh, sit up for me. I did not do a good job of stabilizing the base. I knew it was going to get top heavy like this and still just ignored it. Putting on lots and lots of new growth up top and in between on these nodes. I'm glad I topped it a few times. No new flowers yet. Again, they dropped from the heat of the grow room. Well, I don't want to say no new flowers. I have new buds. You can see them popping out here, but no new fruits yet. That's what I'm trying to say. Yeah. Get that vocab together. But I mean, they look good. They look dangerous, especially for people with gastrointestinal issues. That's myself. But I'm gonna do it for you people. I'm gonna go on and we're gonna try it out. But not right now. This was grown in one of our shoebox hydroponic systems. As you can see, we have nice, healthy roots in there. The root stock isn't really that big because the container isn't that big. See, I'm capable of getting fruits at an earlier stage than most people would when they're growing in soil or growing outside, because I'm in a controlled environment. I'm controlling nutrients. The plant has a direct access to the nutrients, so obviously it's going to grow faster, and we have some really nice produce here. Get you some. This whole setup, the box was $1 from Dollar General. The seed pack was, I think, 50 cents at the Dollar Tree, and the nutrients, all in all, was about $15. But again, it's like a 2-pound pack, and it's like a teaspoon or 2 teaspoons per gallon. So, I mean, can you really complain? Take the time. Make it do what it do, people.